BMO VIPorter World Elite Mastercard Review. Is it worth the benefits? So here's its pros and key benefits. It offers a strong welcome offer, which is up to 70,000 VIPorter points. It also has a high earning points and rates, which is 1 point per $1 on all other purchases. And the travel and airline perks are very beneficial as well. And they offer additional benefits like insurance, and the points never expire under your card, so they have complimentary check bag, carry-on bag, and other classic set selections. The cons is though, you want to watch out for the things which are the annual fee, the spend threshold for full perks, a foreign exchange fee for non-CAD transactions, a limited redemption scope, and the value depends heavily on how much you fly or use travel perks. So overall, is it worth it? Well, it can be worth the $999 annual fee if you fly with the porter often, if you spend enough on the card to hit the bonus, and you value the airline loyalty perks that come with the venture.